Hi, I'm Shona, and welcome to my candle making course for beginners. In the course, we will cover everything you need to know to make a variety of types and shapes of candle. The first section will cover all the basics, from equipment and molds to the ingredients that you will need: wax, wicks, colors, and fragrance. Some of these topics contain a lot of information, so I will give you a brief overview to get you started, with more detailed information in case you want to learn more about the subjects. I will also share my ideas for sourcing inexpensive molds that you can find in your local supermarket or dollar store, as well as showing you a range of specialty candle molds. Then we'll start with making pillar candles, which are freestanding candles. I will show you how to make a traditional pillar candle, as well as some more unusual shaped candles. We will also make votives, floating candles, and tea lights. I will even show you how to use silicone cake molds to make unique looking pillar candles. Then we will move on to the container candle method, and you will see how to create great candles with techniques using color. Next, you will see how to make wax tarts, which are a great alternative to burning essential oils or fragrances on oil burners. These are very popular in the shops right now, so simple to make once you know how, and they make fabulous gifts. After that, you'll see how to make specialty candles. Firstly, you will see how you can use rolled beeswax sheets to make some great looking candles. Then how to whip wax to create cupcake and coffee cup candles, which look good enough to eat. I will also show you how to use ice and water to create some totally different candles. Finally, you will learn how to add oils and butters to basic candles to produce a massage candle. This is the perfect candle for the ultimate spa experience. At the end of the course, I will give you lots of ideas for decorating your candles and containers so that you can create fabulous candles for every occasion. So let's get started to make some fabulous candles.